today's a good day to go fishing with friends.
How do you do a Texas?
What's up? So today we're gonna show you how to do a Texas rig. So a Texas rig consists of a weight, a hook, and a worm. So what you do is first you put on the weight, and then you put on your hook. Once you have your hook in, I'll show you how to hook in the worm. Once you tie your hook with whatever knot people like, that's okay. I don't know my knot, so I can't tell you what I have. You want to put the worm in like that, then make sure it comes out just like that. Bring it all the way up, all the way up like this. Then you measure where it might come out, right? So that's where I'm gonna make the punctures for the hook to go in, and then bring it out like that, so it could be kind of straight. It's okay if it's a little flimsy. And that's how you have your Texas rig hook. So the point of this one is when you launch it, it sinks to the bottom, to the floor.
It's gonna be like this, and then when he flicks it up, it's gonna go flick, and the tail's gonna go up like that, and the fish, and the fish is gonna be like, oh, that looks good, and it eats it. And
Yeah, so you gotta basically make it jump, like you jig it. Jig it every now and then reel in. Jig it like 1-2 times, reel in. Jig it again, reel in. Imagine how cool it would be if I catch a fish right now and let you record
Literally, that'd be so sick.
Reel in, and then you just keep doing that, and until you bring it all the way to yourself and throw it back again.
Sheesh, thank you.
That's how it should look when you're bringing it in. See how the tail is like pointing up? That's when the bass see it, and then hopefully it looks good to them, and they take a bite, and you bring them in.
See, pro.
You gotta be entertaining, Mike, that's why.
You want me to? Dive in the fucking thing.
This is fishing, guys. This is the reality. You cast and you catch, and you don't catch nothing.
It's a waiting game, that's what it is.
Yeah.
There's shit everywhere, so you have to watch out to step on. What the fuck is that?
Let's show them.
What the fuck is that?
I know, look at my
It's
shoe.
like,
What just... Oh,
Oh, I took that
oh
one
no,
out.
that was not. That one has a
That
lot.
was hard, bro. I had to find a rock to it.
It's like little poop every second.
On top of that, you gotta watch out where people like swing their poles.
Oh yeah, like right here.
You're gonna get hooked.
You
You're
just
gonna catch
gotta-
a person instead of a fish.
I was hit a bird, dude.
Oh, my God.
My biggest thing is looking at a turtle. Poor turtle.
You got the turtles. There's a turtle right there. I'm just kidding.
I saw a big turtle over there. I saw a big turtle over there. There's turtles here.
So there's a theory.
Dude, what?
What's your theory?
What's my theory? Alright, so the theory goes, guys. Whoa. Okay, so I felt that.
Oh, what we did last time?
What's the theory?
Okay, we're leaving now. Catch a fish?
So there's a theory, guys. When you leave, all of a sudden you catch a fish. So every time we like, if it's almost time to leave,
Well, Oh. Oh.
Cushion, and you let go, and your thing goes down. Your fucking tape goes down, right? And you pick it back up, which is cool. Mine's all messed up. And then the other ones, which are
You said that at certain times that they come out to eat because there's like
That
a
too.
breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
yes, because there's a morning time where you come out, which is what after.
Only like a 6, 7. Also, when you go fishing, go early.
Go early.
Yeah, be early bird. Which sucks, but doesn't suck. We try to get up early as best as we can. We never do.
Because it's Friday night, you know.
It's a reality, guys.
gotta
We
relax.
don't get up early. But at the end of the day, so there's a breakfast and dinner. Breakfast is any time from 4 a.m. to around 7 a.m. That's breakfast time when they bite. And there's the lunch time where it's from 11 a.m. to say 2 p.m. And the dinner time, bass, which is from 4 p.m. to like 8 p.m. After that, anything nighttime related is gonna be the what do you call those creatures? The fish that just always just shallow, just low, like catfish.
Oh, bottom feeders?
Yeah, nighttime is mainly bottom feeders, only because you can't see anything. All their senses just smell. So what you're gonna be doing is just for catfish, say it's a fucking hot dog wiener. That's it, hot dog. Throw it out there.
They're gonna be like, this guy has no clue what they're talking about.
I don't give a shit, alright? I'm gonna tell you guys what the fuck I think, okay? So, bottom feeders, weenie, some corn, and add a little like spice. We're fucking mixing, come on now. And then you put it out there and
Carne asada or what?
hours, and then eventually you'll catch it. Promise. It's a promise, guys.
Hey, you only use carne asada and fish.
What's that?
What's a Mexican fish?
It was raised in Mexico and they threw it out here.
No time to be scared.
I have been. Yeah. Am I?
You're stuck.
Fucking ass. Why you gotta pay me like that?
After a long day, gonna grab some In-N-Out. Yeah. This is your sign to go grab a freaking burger from In-N-Out. So to sum it up, I went to In-N-Out and the lady was telling me something about her being up in the 70s, 80s. I was like, what? I was like, how was it back then? She started telling me a whole story in the middle of like me waiting for my order. That was so cool. She was awesome. And well, just wanted to give a shout out to everyone that watches my videos. Thank you so much. Like, it will definitely pay off, because I know. Thank you. I appreciate you all.